if you see me ranting on Instagram या तो बड़ी puffy eyes है, then समझ लो my periods are due. I started my periods I think when I was 14 years old, and I started using cloth pads which I absolutely hated. मतलब if you were an 80s kid in India, बाकी तो मुझे पता नहीं है, but in India, you know, my mother used to save all these cotton dupattas and that used to be our pads. I absolutely used to hate it because my school was at 7 o'clock, so the days I have my periods, then you get up early, you have to wash that pad and it always used to stink. Anyways, I was very happy to get on to sanitary pads for so many years, and then of late 6-7 months actually I've been thinking that, you know, I know they're not good for the environment, but I'm not comfortable with tampons. I'm not comfortable using the menstrual cup. Like, I've thought about it, I've researched, I've read, like, I'm not comfortable with all that. That's when I heard about period panties and I got super excited. So today I'm sharing everything about period panties. I've tried them for 3 months. I'm adding some footage of me when I'm using them and how I'm feeling. And आगे बढ़ते हैं, I'm going to give you all the pros and cons and whether you should invest in them or not, because yes, it's absolutely expensive at this very stage. Maybe the brands that I found in Singapore are expensive. I'm also linking some Indian brands below and you can check for yourself about the brands and the reviews. Let's begin. Hello, so it's my day 1 of trying the period panties. It's just right now. So far the fitting and all has been good, but you know how it is the first day. For me the flow is very heavy on the first day and then it reduces. So as the day progresses, let's see how this functions. But so far the fit has been nice. I'm obviously nervous because, you know, I don't know that, you know, it's going to leak or not, but I'm going to take you along the journey and I'm hoping that this is it. This is the solution that I have been looking for. So I got 2 brands to try, Modi Body and Love Luna. Modi Body, you have to check the size that you are actually wearing for your panties. And then I got a heavy overnight. It's a classic bikini color black. You always check this heavy overnight, because this is what I learned, that, you know, there are these different kinds of period panties for less flow, heavy flow and all that. And then they have details about what to do, how to use it, how to wash it, everything's there. So I'm gonna, this one is Love Luna. This is a classic bikini, but I think it's a high waist bikini because of the waist. Now there is actually a padding inside here. Alright, so that's why you don't have to wear an external padding, and then this is what you wash. So the padding is already stitched in this one. Hi! So I have been wearing my period panties since morning now, but today my flow is not that heavy. But the most comfortable part is that I forgot that I have my periods. So that's really fun. Like, I went out for a movie and I don't have any footage of that, but I was super comfortable. No rashes. But again, I don't want to sell this high. It's just first day of me trying that, and let's wait how it goes. I'll keep you posted. Let's see how it goes for a very heavy flow day. For now, my flow is like really less, so I'm okay with this one that I'm using. I'll catch you soon. Okay, so in terms of my first month, तब मैं सिंगापुर पैक कर रही थी to moving to Canada. तो meeting friends, going for movies and dinners and all that. उसके बीच में ये try कर रही थी and मुझे तो बड़ा मजा आया था. The fit was very nice. And as I said कि ना लगा ही नहीं that I have my periods, because जब sanitary pads पहनते हैं, again I don't know about tampons or menstrual cup or anything. I'm purely talking from a sanitary pads perspective. They get heavy. I used to get rashes, and when your pads start filling up, it used to stink, right? With this, even when my panty is full, और जैसे आपने देखा कि हर एक में एक लिखा है that it can work for 3 to 4 tampons, or it can work for heavy flow, mild flow, low flow, whatever you're picking up. वो जब fill भी हो गई थी ना panty, I couldn't, like, there was no smell और skin irritation नहीं था, which is very important for me. वैसे भी पेट दुखता है, I have sore breast, and you know, इन सब में यार again rashes after the periods, and I love working out during my periods. So I wore my period panties and I also worked out the first month, which I absolutely loved. So yes, पहले महीने तो I was sold कि ये मुझे करना है. Hello. So this is my second month कि मैं period panties use कर रही हूँ. मतलब मेरा second cycle है after the time I'm experimenting with the period panties. I was heavily jet lagged yesterday when I had my periods, so I decided to take the easy way and the shortcut, and I used pads for one day because मुझे पता था कि मेरे पास 3 ही panties है and I won't be able to wash and clean them on time. So let's see how this cycle goes. But today, day 2, comfort wise, I'm absolutely comfortable. I just need to figure out the logistics of मैं कैसे dry करूँगी and what I'll do. And let's see how tomorrow goes, whether I'm able to use it well. वरना फिर तीसरे महीने मिलते हैं, the third cycle, and I hope I must have figured out this country by then and I should be able to do it then. ठीक है?
Okay, so now next month में I had already landed Canada. मेरा दूसरा ही दिन था and I was heavily jet lagged. तो जैसे मैं बता रही हूँ कि मैंने ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं किया. I just used it for one day, actually for 2 nights, not for just one day, 1 day 2 nights, because मुझे रात को ये पैंटीज पहनना आई फील एब्सोल्युटली कंफर्टेबल. सो सेकेंड मंथ तो मैंने वही किया.
Hello, so this is my third cycle. Cycle 1, cycle 2 में I've used period panties. Today is my second day. First day was a little chaotic because थोड़ा घर पे काम चल रहा था. We've just moved into this house, तो थोड़ा सा ये चल रहा था. But otherwise, it has been good. मैंने आज मेरा second day है, तो मैंने सुबह से videos भी shoot किए हैं. तो the flow is very heavy, so मैं सुबह आई वोर माई पैंटी एट आई थिंक 7:30 अराउंड, और अभी 2 बजे है, तो अभी भी मैंने आई जस्ट चेंज्ड माई पैंटी, सो इट होल्ड्स ट्रू कि कितना वो होल्ड करेगा. सो दैट वाज नाइस, सुपर कंफर्टेबल. मैंने कल भी अपनी सारी एक्टिविटीज एज यूजुअल की है. एनीवेज, आई डोंट थिंक दैट पीरियड्स शुड स्टॉप यू फ्रॉम योर एक्टिविटीज अनलेस लाइक इट्स एन एब्सोल्यूट फिजिकल पेन फॉर यू. दैट्स अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी. बट मुझे उतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है. इनफैक्ट इफ आई एम एक्टिव तो मैं भूल जाती हूँ. हाँ, तो वही इन टर्म्स ऑफ द पीरियड पैंटीज मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई है. इट हैज़ बीन रियली नाइस, और आई एम रेडी विथ माई रिव्यू. ऑरेंजेस खोल रही हूँ बिकॉज आई वांट टू लाइक ईट समथिंग. तो वही एनीवेज, बैक मैनेज टू ईट व्हाइल टॉकिंग. तो या डे 2 भी अच्छा चल रहा है, हाफ डे. मैं बता रही हूँ कि ना रात को द स्लीपिंग पार्ट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट, कि you just don't realize you have your periods when you're wearing period panties. चलिए, let's do the review.
Now that 3 months are done, I wanted to discuss the pros and cons. सबसे पहले pros से शुरू करते हैं. Okay, my first pro absolutely is the ease. जैसे मैं पहले बता रही थी that there is no rashes, there is no smell, और ये ना जो मतलब that ease कि मुझे पता ही नहीं I have my periods, that's definitely the biggest pro मेरे लिए. The second pro for me is peaceful sleep. देखो, whether I have heavy flow or not, but just that कि एक extra thing is there while you are sleeping, मुझे पता नहीं कैसे explain करूँ यार. But I hope you understand कि ना जब आप सोते हैं तो it is so uncomfortable कि it moves, तुम कितना भी उसे position करो सारा. लेकिन with period panties जब पहला महीना था, तब मैंने जब रात को पहनकर when I woke up in the morning then I realized, oh man, this is so amazing. So the second month also during the day मैं use नहीं कर पाई because like I said washing was an issue. लेकिन मैंने रात को तो I wore period panties only. And also this third month मैंने रात को सिर्फ period panties पहनी है. I did not use my sanitary napkins for night the last 3 months. Peaceful sleep, मतलब periods में मैंने इतनी peaceful sleep तो काफी जमाने से नहीं की है. सो दिस इज अ गेम चेंजर, लाइक एन एब्सोल्यूट गेम चेंजर. द थर्ड प्रो इज दैट पीरियड पैंटीज सिर्फ पीरियड्स में यूज करना जरूरी नहीं है. लाइक इवन व्हेन डेज दैट यू हैव डिस्चार्ज, या जब मैं ट्रैवल कर रही थी ना फ्रॉम सिंगापुर टू कैनेडा, इट वॉज अ 24-hour फ्लाइट. तभी आई जनरली व्हेन आई हैव अ लॉन्गर फ्लाइट तो आई कैरी एन एक्स्ट्रा पेयर ऑफ अंडरवेयर, और मैं फ्लाइट में चेंज करती हूँ बिकॉज आई डोंट लाइक यूजिंग इट फॉर सो मेनी आवर्स विद द डिस्चार्ज एंड एवरीथिंग. तो इसमें ये अच्छा है दैट बिकॉज ऑफ द सोकिंग कैपेसिटी आई कैन वेयर इट फॉर लॉन्गर जर्नीज, एंड लाइक आई सेड स्टिंक नहीं होता है. सो दैट देयर इज सम टेक्नोलॉजी जो मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही है क्या है, बिकॉज इन माई बेसिक हेड आई फील कपड़ा ही है, लेकिन डेफिनेटली वॉट एवर द टेक्नोलॉजी इज इट्स वर्किंग फैब्यूलस. The fourth pro is ease of wash. So the cotton that is used in these period panties is definitely different than a regular cotton, क्योंकि वो ना जो scrubbing था, the smell used to never go, वो सारा was very irritating. इसमें these are designed in a way that you put below रनिंग वाटर एंड वो it self cleans and then you have to brush it and then they say that you can put in the washing machine but I was not comfortable, इसीलिए मैं ब्रश करके बराबर वॉश करके उसको ड्रायर में रख एज इन आई यूज टू पुट इट टू ड्राई और वॉशिंग मशीन ड्रायर में नहीं डालती थी. ओके, माई 5th प्रो इज दैट देयर वॉज नो लीकेज. मतलब या तो आई वॉज मोर कॉन्शियस क्योंकि मैं सिर्फ 3 महीने ट्राई कर रही हूँ और मैं कॉन्शियस थी कि मैं इसे कीप अ चेक एंड कीप ऑन चेंजिंग, लेकिन लीकेज नहीं था क्योंकि ना जब सैनिटरी पैड्स अगर भर भी नहीं गए हैं and still at night because of the movement there is leakage. Also when I wear sanitary pads तो मैं fitted कपड़े नहीं पहनती थी because I thought leakage है, when I sit down the pad will be seen और ये सारा बहुत झंझट होता था. लेकिन with the period panties there was no leakage whatsoever because there is no movement ना, I was free. So these are my absolute 5 pros. मतलब I am तो sold on it. Obviously with every pro there is a con, so let's begin the cons. The पहला con is super wastage of water. कैसे बोलूँ, सिंगापुर या कनाडा दोनों जगह पे पानी का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन अगर मुझे यही पीरियड पैंटीज बॉम्बे यूज करनी है तो मुझे लगता है दैट like for example my mother's house there is obviously a water issue na, so I cannot just spend like a liter 2 liter waters into washing this. तो ये एक पानी का प्रॉब्लम है टू पुट दैट इन वाटर एंड देन कीप ऑन स्क्रबिंग. ये दिस इज अ कॉन जो मुझे लगता है दैट इन वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज में भी शायद नहीं होगा, लेकिन फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ कंट्रीज वेयर वाटर इज स्केर्स तो ये प्रॉब्लम होना ही है. देन पीरियड पैंटीज वोंट वर्क, इट डजंट बिकम एनवायरमेंटल फ्रेंडली अगर you keep on wasting that water. So you have to be very mindful कि कितना पानी डाल रहे हो, which I have heard in menstrual cups ये problem नहीं होता है, but I've never tried, so I'm just guessing कि ये थोड़ा पानी वाला easy होगा. The second con to this is कि मैंने बहुत सी बार ये बोला है but वापस बोल रही हूँ that 3 panties are not enough. The one like I have only 3. If I want to continue by no sanitary pad thing then I will have to invest in 3 to 5 panties more. मतलब मुझे minimum 7 panties चाहिए होगी to go through my whole thing and it's मतलब है ऐसा ही है, तो ये करना पड़ेगा. 3 panties से कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. And my third con is कि with period panties मुझे नहीं लगता I am 100% done with sanitary pads. Okay, the simple reason being कि जैसे 24 घंटे की फ्लाइट है अगर मैं पीरियड्स में हूँ then where am I going to wash it and how am I going to store it? Sanitary pad है तो I can discard it, the period panties I cannot discard. अब अगर मैं ऑफिस गई हूँ and you know my pad अगर if I have heavy flow तो my period panties might not last me 8 to 10 hours. मुझे बीच में एक 5th या 6th आवर पे पैड चेंज करना ही पड़ता है which will happen with period panties also. So ये मुझे लगता है कि when I start regular office तो क्या होगा, मतलब I don't know. I have read that you can change your period panty and come home and wash, पर मुझे नहीं पता if I'm comfortable with that whole idea or not. तो इस वजह से if I am home या if I'm out for only some hours which because of COVID ये रूटीन हो गया है सबकी लाइफ में then it's okay. लेकिन अगर मुझे 10-12 घंटे बाहर रहना है तो मुझे नहीं पता if I'm comfortable or not in changing my panty, bringing home and then washing both. So ये मेरे लिए ये पर्सनल कॉन है. आई डोंट नो हाउ कंफर्ट लेवल योर, तुम्हारा कैसा कंफर्ट लेवल है. So these are my observations of using period panties. Like I said, I am totally sold on the idea. I am going to invest in 3 more period panties and I'm going to invest in a couple of more brands. You can check into my Instagram. I'll keep on sharing feedbacks of these brands. The brands that I have used, Modi Bodhi and Love Luna, both I have enjoyed. I'm going to try Indian brands and then I'm going to try one very popular called Things. और मैं उनके रिव्यूज और फीडबैक्स डालती जाऊंगी इंस्टाग्राम पे, so you can follow me on Instagram if you don't. Besides that, like I said, I am totally sold at night, so it is amazing. My daughter is only 7 years old, but whenever she starts her periods, मुझे पता है that for night time, so I'm definitely moving her to period panties. Okay, now the pro or con is done. The first thing is cost. Okay, now the 2 brands that I bought are definitely expensive. मतलब I bought Modi Bodhi for about $38 if I'm not wrong, and I bought Love Luna for $32 एक का. So this was very obviously expensive. मतलब मेरे 3 पैंटीज मिलकर $110 हुए थे शायद. which is almost like 5-6,000 Indian rupees. लेकिन जब Indian brands मैं देख रही हूँ, then you have a 5 का set या 7 का set which will cost you 5 to 7,000 rupees. तो वो मुझे लगता है कि longevity wise the investment is done. लेकिन if you're buying one piece, it gets very expensive also. I think like I said, brands के हिसाब से है. When you look at cost, जब भी expensive चीज़ों की बात आती है ना, when you look at cost, don't look at cost just from a cost perspective. You have to look at cost from the utility perspective. तो मैंने एक वीडियो किया है not all expensive things are worth it, which is true, but this I'm saying a little उल्टा कि ये expensive है, लेकिन it is worth the investment, लेकिन 3 is not enough. तो 5 या 7 तो लेना ही पड़ेगा. And you buy that bundle. मैंने नीचे links add किए हैं of Indian brands which sell as bundles, so you check that. The second thing is fit. Don't look at fit from कि I'll buy a tighter one. फिर आपको rashes होंगे, फिर stomach पे marks होंगे. Don't do that. Buy the fit of the actual panty that you wear and it works well. So fit is obviously important ताकि leakage ना हो. And yeah, that is important. And yes, this was my review. Let me know if you have any questions. I think I have covered all the points, but if you still have questions, then write below and I'll answer them. If you have liked what you've seen so far, please give this video a big fat thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also afraid of period panties or who need a second opinion whether to use it or not. And this video can help them. So till I see you next time, bye bye.